Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a teaching character reference letter. What is a teaching character reference letter? A teaching character reference letter is a formal letter written by a professional, such as a school administrator, colleague, or supervisor, to endorse a teacher's personal qualities, teaching abilities, and professional conduct. This letter typically highlights the teacher's skills, dedication to students, commitment to educational excellence, and contributions to the school community. It is often used in job applications, promotions, or to support further educational opportunities, serving as a testimony to the candidate's character, teaching style, and impact on students' learning and development. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a teaching character reference letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you can write your information as a sender of the letter. Introduce yourself by stating your full name and job title, for example as principal of the school and so on. And then, provide the name of the school or institution where you work. Under it, write the full address, email, and phone number for contact information. After that, you need to write the date of the letter. Use the format of month, day, and year. And then, write the recipient's information. You should clearly address the recipient and provide their details. Here, you can begin with the recipient's name and the title, for example as Dr. Elizabeth Grant, Head of Department. Under it, provide the name of the department, and the school district or institution where they work. Don't forget to also include the full address of the recipient's organization. And now, you can write also the subject line, but it is optional. It is to state the subject of the letter concisely. You may simply write, character reference letter for, followed by the candidate's name. After completing this information, you can open the letter with a formal salutation. Simply, you can write Dear, followed by the name of the recipient. In the paragraph 1, this is for introduction. Here, you need to introduce the relationship between you as the writer and the candidate. You can start by mentioning the writer's position and role, like principal, and how they know the candidate. For example, you may write something like, I am writing to provide a character reference for Michael Brown, whom I have had the privilege of knowing and working with, for 5 years at Lincoln Elementary School. And then, state how long the writer has worked with the candidate. By doing so, you must highlight the candidate's teaching skills, commitment, and overall professional qualities. Here is the example how you write it. As principal, I have observed Michael's exceptional teaching skills, dedication to students, and unwavering commitment to fostering a supportive and inclusive learning environment. In the paragraph 2, write the candidate's teaching skills and approach. It is important that you describe the candidate's teaching abilities and methods. Yes, comment on the candidate's understanding of the subject matter and their innovative approach to teaching. For example is, Michael has always demonstrated a deep understanding of the subject matter and an innovative approach to teaching that engages and motivates students. Besides, you can also mention how they use various teaching methods to engage students and meet different learning styles. For example, you may write, he consistently employs a variety of teaching methods to accommodate different learning styles, ensuring that each student has the opportunity to excel. Not only that, but you can also provide a specific example, such as the development of a project-based learning curriculum that positively impacted students. Here is a perfect example for it. Michael developed a project-based learning curriculum that significantly improved students' understanding of complex concepts and increased their enthusiasm for learning. In the paragraph 3, it is where you write the candidate's personal qualities and relationships with students. The goal is of course to highlight the candidate's personal traits and how they connect with students. Therefore, you need to mention the candidate's compassion and empathy. You may simply write, beyond his instructional skills, Michael is known for his compassion and empathy. And then, discuss how they build strong relationships with students and support their development. If you have no idea what to write, you may simply copy this. He builds strong relationships with students, providing them with the support and encouragement they need to overcome challenges and achieve their full potential. After that, you can continue to explain the impact of their personal connections on students' growth, both academically and personally. And it will look like this. Michael's ability to connect with students on a personal level has had a profound impact on their academic and personal growth. In the paragraph 4, write the candidate's professional development and contributions to the school community. The goal here is to showcase the candidate's commitment to professional growth and school involvement. And therefore, you need to comment on the candidate's dedication to continuous learning and professional development. For example, you may write, "Furthermore, Michael's commitment to professional development is exemplary." And then, mention their participation in educational research and efforts to stay updated with teaching methodologies. If you have no idea what to write, you may simply copy this. He actively seeks out opportunities to enhance his teaching practice and stays abreast of the latest educational research and methodologies. And write something more like, "His dedication to lifelong learning serves as an inspiration to colleagues and students alike." In the paragraph 6, write about candidates' activities outside class. Yes, you need to highlight their contributions outside the classroom. They are such as leading extracurricular activities or being part of school committees. For example is, Michael also contributes significantly to our school community through his involvement in extracurricular activities and committees. Sure, you can also talk about their leadership skills. You can write something like, "His leadership and organizational skills have been instrumental in the success of numerous school events and initiatives, further demonstrating his commitment to creating a positive and engaging school culture." In the paragraph 6, this is where you write your recommendation. You need to summarize the candidate's qualifications and provide a strong recommendation. To do this, offer a clear and positive recommendation for the candidate. For example is, "In conclusion, I wholeheartedly recommend Michael Brown for any teaching position or educational opportunity he may seek." And then, reaffirm the candidate's exceptional skills and the positive impact they have on students. You can write it like this. "His passion for education, exceptional teaching abilities, and positive impact on students make him an outstanding educator." Besides, it is highly recommended that you also express confidence that the candidate will continue to make a difference in education. You may write it like, "I am confident that Michael will continue to inspire and shape the lives of students for years to come." In the paragraph 7, write invitation for further contact. Yes, it is a must that you offer to provide additional information if needed. Invite the recipient to contact you for further information by providing your phone number and email address. Here is the example how you write it. "Should you require any further information, or wish to discuss Michael's qualifications in more detail, please do not hesitate to contact me at 5035559876 or sarah.jennings@lincoln.edu." And in the last paragraph, show appreciation to the recipient for their time and consideration. You may simply write, "Thank you for considering this character reference." And finally, you can close the letter with "Sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name under it. Write also your job title and the institution name. So, that's how you write a teaching character reference letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.